Today, yet another year comes to an end. It's a time to reflect on the passage of time, on closures, and on new beginnings. But let's pause for a moment and ask ourselves, what is a year really? A year is the time it takes for a planet to complete a full journey around the sun, a cosmic dance that varies enormously from one world to another. Each planet has its own rhythm, unique and fascinating. Let's think about Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. There, a year lasts just 88 Earth days, a blink of an eye on our calendar. Its proximity to the sun makes it race swiftly, propelled by the force of gravity. Then there's Venus, where a year stretches over 225 Earth days. And imagine this, on Venus, a single day is longer than a year. A curious fact that reminds us of how surprising the universe can be. Earth, our refuge, completes its orbit in 365 days, a familiar period that marks the seasons of our lives and provides the stability we need to thrive. But on Mars, the red planet, a year is almost twice as long as ours, 687 Earth days. Its wider orbit keeps it farther from the sun, lengthening its temporal cycle. Beyond Mars, we venture among the gas giants. Jupiter, the king of the solar system, takes 12 Earth years to complete its orbit. A Jovian year contains as many experiences as we might accumulate in more than a decade. And what about Saturn, famous for its majestic rings? Its year spans 29 Earth years, a time frame that few of us can truly perceive as a complete cycle. Then we find Uranus, tilted on its side, taking 84 Earth years to travel around the sun. Imagine this. An entire human life could pass without seeing Uranus complete its journey. Finally, we have Neptune, the outermost guardian of the solar system. There, a year lasts 165 Earth years. Since its discovery, Neptune has completed only one orbit around the sun and is now beginning its second. But Earth doesn't limit itself to orbiting the sun. The entire solar system moves around the center of the Milky Way, our galaxy. This long and fascinating journey introduces us to a new type of year, the galactic year. What is a galactic year? It's the time it takes for the solar system to complete one full orbit around the galactic center. Imagine our sun and its planets traveling at a speed of about 828,000 kilometers per h, 514,000 miles per hour, orbiting a core populated by billions of stars and an enormous black hole called Sagittarius, a dot. And how long is this galactic year? About 225 million Earth years. To put it into perspective, the last time Earth was in the same point of its galactic orbit, dinosaurs were just beginning to dominate the planet. We are currently in galactic year 20, calculated from the formation of the solar system approximately 4.57 billion years ago. This thought reminds us of the vastness of the universe and how time, so familiar and everyday to us, changes scale entirely when we step beyond our world. So as we bid farewell to the year that is ending and welcome the one that is beginning, let us remember that we are all part of an extraordinary cosmic journey, where our small Earth year is but a step in the infinite timeline of the universe. I wish you all a new year filled with joy, hope, and wonder.
Happy New Year!